Task Force and the President are giving an update right now on the response to COVID-19. Let's listen in.
The governor states, the relationships have been really very good. I spoke with Governor Cuomo. We're working very hard to get additional things to New York as quickly as possible. As you know, we took care of the hospital, including personnel, the 2,500 beds that we built just recently at Javits, including personnel, and we opened it up to COVID, and that's something that we also did in Louisiana, and we're doing it in Dallas. So we have a lot of not only hospitals being built, but now we're manning the hospitals because states are, in many cases, unable to get additional people to work. It's just an incredible situation. There's never been anything like this. One of the most important issues in battling this pandemic is coordinating the delivery of the crucial supplies throughout the nation based upon the most accurate information available. And we've got the best health care and disaster experts anywhere in the world, and everybody will tell you that. And we're dealing with big parts of the world and helping them also through this horrible situation. We're at 151, still 151 nations are going through it. We're working to ensure that the supplies are delivered where and when they're needed. In some cases, we're telling governors, we can't go there because we don't think you need it and we think someplace else needs it. And pretty much so far, we've been right about that. And we'll continue to do it as it really gets. This will be probably the toughest week between this week and next week. And there'll be a lot of death, unfortunately, but a lot less death than if this wasn't done, but there will be death. We're looking for an obvious focus in the hardest hit regions. Some of them are obvious and some aren't so obvious. They spring up, they come and they hit you like you got hit by a club, an area that wasn't at all bothered. You look at what's going on in New Jersey. The governor's doing an excellent job, by the way, but how that sprang up. Every decision that we're making is made to save lives. It's really our sole consideration. We want to save lives. We want as few lives lost as possible. It's therefore critical that certain media outlets stop spreading false rumors and creating fear and even panic with the public. It's just incredible. I could name them, but it's the same ones, always the same ones. I guess they're looking for ratings. I don't know what they're looking for. So bad for our country. And so bad, the people understand it. You look at the levels and approval ratings, and they're the lowest they've ever been for media.